So you got your fantasy book written and revised and edited and everything's looking good in Scrivener and you're like, yes, this looks amazing. But you also went and drew your very own epic fantasy map, and this thing looks awesome, and you want to include that at the beginning of your book. But how do you get your fantasy map into Scrivener? I'm going to show you how. Let's do it. All right, so in Scrivener, there's a couple of different ways that you can do this. So in Scrivener, you go to your project. You can go to the front matter section over here. And in your front matter, there's a couple of different sections. There's a manuscript format section, there's a paperback novel section, and there's an ebook section. Under each of those are different pages. You got the title page, you got copyright, you got dedication. Under ebook, you got the cover, you got the dedication. These are all different things that you can add. And one thing that you could do is you could insert a new text underneath your title page and go from there. Or what we're gonna do in this one is I'm gonna go under the manuscript and I'm gonna actually add a new folder, and we're gonna call this the map folder. And then under the map section, I want to add a new text. And now once I have a new text here, this is a blank text. It's nothing. It's got nothing here. And we can change the title of this. Let's call it the map of Turin because that's the continent in my map. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to insert at the top corner here and we're going to go image from file. Okay, so we're going to click on that, and right here I've got my image of my map. Now I could do this one with the background, but I don't really want to do that because actually I want it to print out really nicely on the paper with no background. I want it to look really nice in the ebook with no background. So I'm going to click the one with no background, bring that in here, and voila, our map is in here and it looks pretty awesome. So now when we compile this and export it, and if you don't know how to compile out of Scrivener, that's okay. I've got a video about that. It's super easy, super quick, no problemo. But when we go to compile this, let's make sure we're on our manuscript. It's got our map of Turin, and then when we compile this, it should be on that front page. So let's go tester, compile. It takes just a few seconds. It compiles, it converts. This will disappear when it's all done, and let's check it out. Tester, open that up, ba-boom, map, huzzah. There's our map on the first page in our book. Now, notice how it says chapter 1. That's because we didn't do it in the front matter. So you saw that it was under chapter 1 heading, and that kind of messes up our chapter headings, right? So we actually want to move it down into the front matter. But I wanted you to be able to see that you can really put it anywhere. In fact, you can put an image on any chapter, any page, whatever. So let me show you how we move it down into our front matter. So let's move our map down into our front matter right after our title page. That's it. All you gotta do is drag and drop. Okay, so now when we do this, let's go down to compile. Let's go to manuscript. This time we want to click add front matter. I actually want to add my map in as the front matter. But bam, let's compile it. Let's go tester again. Easy peasy. Yes, replace it, no big deal. Take that couple of seconds. And let's take a look at our tester again. Well, bam, look at that. Our map is on the first page. Chapter 1 starts right after it. And we are looking awesome. This is great. It's super simple to throw your fantasy map at the front of your book in your formatting in Scrivener. It's a piece of cake. And honestly, you want everybody to see that epic map because you work so hard on it to make it look really beautiful. Now, if you're interested in learning how to make a map like mine, I do have videos about that. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and go and check those out and any new videos that we have coming out. Look guys, this is a super simple process. I hope this was super easy and fast for you, and we'll catch you guys next time.